These micro-triggers have the power to spark desire in a woman without her even realizing why. There's a world of difference between making a woman like you and making her want you. Liking happens in her head. Wanting, that lives in her body. And often, it's set off by moments so small you'd miss them if you weren't paying attention. Imagine this. You're mid-story, speaking effortlessly, and then you pause. Not because you lost your train of thought, but because what you're about to say feels like it might be dangerous to share. That hesitation pulls her focus to you. Now her mind is racing. What is he holding back? It's like leaving a door half open in a suspense movie, and curiosity is irresistible. Then, there's the look away with a half smile. You meet her gaze, hold it, then break it first. Not with shyness, but with that smirk that says you just thought of something she wouldn't be ready for. You're not retreating, you're choosing to exit on your terms. Next, the subtle act of adjusting something for her comfort. Not grand gestures, but quiet moves, sliding her glass closer, shifting your chair so she's out of the wind, straightening her menu without a word. It signals, he notices me, without it being a performance. Another trigger. Keep listening even after she's done speaking. Let a few beats of silence hang while you're still locked in on her words. That pause gives her the rare feeling that what she said didn't just hit your ears, it landed. Compliments matter too, but only if they're unperformable. Skip the predictable lines. Instead, tell her she phrases things in a way that makes you listen closer, or that her eyes shift in a certain way when she's deciding if she trusts someone. She can't fake that. It's genuine. Finally, break your own pattern. If you're usually warm and talkative, go quiet and observant for a moment. If you're reserved, drop an unexpected dry comment that makes her laugh. That little disruption forces her to reevaluate you, and unpredictability is magnetic. These small, intentional moves bypass her defenses, lighting a spark in the part of her that craves mystery, and once that spark is there, it's very hard to ignore.